Welcome to my channel, Nail Art. Let's started. We love bright colors, but nature holds a special place in our heart. The work for any ocean and author match with a moss clothes and a pumpkin space letters. You can achieve to a look this with a many hard to a polish or a press known. Taking advantage of a negative space on your nails with a crossbars look. Nail art as Sonia Paleka says to the authority and her cream nails art are over the already too big as a file. You can either to use a pre-made flash plaque bubbles are still using a filters or a hard gel to create this look. This is speaking of your nail polish is whereas thinking you can't to do them. It makes your nails surface rough and packed. It also strips wet to a top layer of your nails. Also to prevent the polish from charming of the its one, you must apply the nail paint into around of the cost instead of using is a one strong layer of colors. Avoid scraping and peeling your nails and stay using acetone free nail polish remover. Fall is one everyone and these are a great offshore nail lovers. Orange nails are the main color style with a chunky gold glitter over finger fine golden sparkly and a map leaf. Choosing a party design with an innocent pattern to a like effectively style this fall seasons. But your nails with a clean polish are really light. Pink polish. Touch paint particular leaves on your fingertips. The designs look fairly easy as to rest adds more interesting pattern on the tip. Where a surfacely fun look that are easy to achieve, try to do different colors because ensure they are in the same color family. One had pale blue and the other had electronic blue. This can be done with many colors is wash. A crystal hair stripe there sometimes is a more and still make a big impact for this look. Keep these elements of a possible using a small but striking designs elements such as a single spiral of a single device on each map. One brown orange horse a fit or fell. We love this already clean colors of this season. To guard this look Los Angeles best nail artist Brittany Barker says to file your nails into a coffin shape first before applying a shape like only red rock or neon lake. You are absolutely gems and you are reserved in nails into a match. For many like this, start with almond shapes, then punch on green French tips. Then grab some returns and carefully place them off the tips with a glue and a clear gel. If you are if you do your household chores yourself, then it's for you. A lot of your cleaning dramas contain chemicals and will cause harm to your nails when they come into contact with them. A simple solution is to wear gloves and to protect your nails. Make sure you wash your gloves thoroughly after use and hug them out in the sunlight to sanitize them. Leopard print in a so classical. It can be a work too, or even cow print in is really look like as well as is to you don't want to go started written. If you are looking to switch it up from typical animal print using different colors and changing your wall mate. Metallic nails are a great but adding a little extra oomph in a wonderfully applied shoulder take your manicure in entirely different directions. Brown orange nail designs is nothing a fuel to a fall and another example of how to you can wear it. This design beginner friendly. You nail will look to a great like this is you have to do it is yourself. Try nail for everyone to try and impress the people around you. Your nails will look cute like this star or long nails. When bright orange is not enough, the black purple step in the element the look. The design has a three-state our element to embrace and a season. Adding silver glitter on pairs to the black purple is a cute party. We love the cute like to web this carefully yet simple manicure by Betten Gold Test. There are absolutely no result when if I come to a watch colors to use go to with any combination. I've added the last six shades that I feel the most fair to you. And be sure to watch up their order each finger. Just be assured to use your super fine brushes to create clean box like Domino's or golden used. You can must know how to she created this bulky beauty right here.